So chronic jaw pain is kind of a complicated subject. It can come from grinding, from some central nervous system stimulus, and from problems with your bite. But you can grind and develop joint pain. There's certain aspects we look at for that to see if it's stress in your life and bite issues and things. But certainly we try to alleviate, and we use some bite guards, we do some adjustments, and do some things to work trying to treat temporary mandibular joint problems.